Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the pros and cons of vinyl wrapping a car. So I got me another roll. I'll pull a sample. So this is the roll that I bought. It's got some sparkle to it. So I'm doing another one of my vehicles. I'm not doing this one. Some of the pros and cons to consider. So number one is the cost. Now in my case I did it myself, but still very time involved. So bumpers had to be removed, door panels, and if I did this car, I think it would have actually hurt its resale value if I wrapped it. So like if I was gonna buy a car, you just don't know with the condition of the paint underneath it. Like for example, I got a little chip right there on my hood, so the wrap would hide it. And also when doing the wraps, so like when cutting the vinyl, gotta cut the excess off. You can easily scratch the paint and wouldn't even know it until the wrap had to be removed. The emblems have to come off. Just a lot of dismantling involved. There's just so many colors to choose from. Like for example, I like this color on my Corvette, but a lot of people wouldn't like it. So that's why I believe potentially could hurt its resale value. And there's a lot of upkeep involved. Gotta maintain the wraps. They just don't last forever. Can't be taking it to a automatic car wash. So those are the downsides that come to my mind. So let's talk about the good stuff though. So there's just a wide selection of colors. One color that I had kind of considered for the Maserati is this chrome blue. I think that would look really nice. But then I found out how expensive the chrome rolls are, and not only that, it's actually quite hard to work with. I practiced a little bit with it. So since the wraps are not really a permanent thing, could always go back and change it to a different color. So just kind of lay down real quick. And then also another good thing about them is I could lay paint protection film on top of that. Now this is just kind of laid on there real quick just to show. The paint protection film can act against like scratches even being keyed, and that protects it. That's another layer of protection that could be added. So that is the awesome thing about it. So when I did my C7, I put paint protection film on the door. I didn't do the rest of the car. So, but yeah, in a way, wrap can act as a way to protect the original paint. A couple years later, you could change your mind and try another color. So in the future, on my C7, there's just so many different colors to choose from. I'll probably try something else. But to me, it just gave it like a new car look, a new car feel. I've had that car for 7 years, so I thought it was time to try something else. I've had this Gran Turismo for 5 years, and yeah, I kind of gave it the idea of doing a wrap, but I'm just going to keep this car original. I like the look of the carbon fiber with the wheels, with the color of the paint. But yeah, it's just another great thing about it. Could always just try something else, but with a paint job, you're kind of just stuck with it, and at that point you change the original paint of the car.